right? As we discussed in the previous class, here ABC we can take common from the R1, R2, R3 respectively. Then we get this result as ABC into from the first row A take out. So this is minus A, B, C. And the next row B is taken common. So this is A minus B
minus B, C,
and C. From the third row C is taken
A,
common.
B, A, B,
B minus C.
minus C.
Next, can we take any values common from this? Can we take common from either R1, R2, R3 or C1?
ABC
ABC will take common answer.
So we'll take again ABC are taking common from C1, C2 and C3 respectively. So again we can write this as, it is already there ABC. Again we are taking ABC as common. So see that the right side value already we got it. A square, B square, C square. Then the remaining value is here minus 1,
Minus 1,
1,
1,
1, minus 1, 1. Next, 1,
minus 1.
that's it. Now let us go to the next one. So what we have to do next step? So we'll try to make it as utmost number of zeros in either any one column or row. It is easy to expand the determinant, right? So here
Yes.
applying either we'll change R1. R1 changed as R1 plus R2. Then this result is the left side part. Let us multiply this. So this is A square, B square, C square, ABC whole square in the sense. Then R1 should change. So minus 1 plus 1. If you add these two, you'll get the result is 0.
0.
Next one is also 0. Next
2.
So remaining rows remains the same. 1 minus 1, 1, and the other one is 1, 1, and it is minus 1. Next, either we can make this as 1 or other one we can make it as 0. So what shall we do? Either you can take 2 common from the first row or applying R2 changed as R2 minus R3, isn't it? Do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Now we can write this is A square, B square, C square into determinant of the first row remains the same. Second row we are going to change 1 minus 1 is 0, minus 1 minus 1 is minus 2.
Minus 2.
Here it is 1 minus of minus 1 is plus
2.
Yes, 1, 1, minus 1. Now we got utmost number of zeros in first column, right? So we have to do that. Expanding along C1. So the first value is, this is, the common value remains the same, A square, B square, C square into 0 into a remaining value. Minus 2, 2, 1 minus 1. Next sign. What's the next sign? Plus, minus, plus. This is minus.
Minus.
0 into. Delete this row and column. So remaining is 0, 2,
0 to 1
1
minus 1.
minus.
and the next one is minus, plus, minus. This is plus
That's 1.
1 into.
Sir,
What else?
we have to solve it only by using properties now, sir.
Yes, ma, yes.
Then we are using this method, sir.
At most, we'll use the properties now. At most, we'll use these properties. If it is not possible to complete at last by using properties, so we can proceed this.
Yes, sir.
Right, ma? Next. Directly, we cannot, directly we should not expand. When they ask to prove it is using properties. At most, we'll try to use the properties only. If it could not get the final answer, then it is possible to get the answer by expanding, then we should proceed the same. So till this, we try to make it as get the answer by using the properties only. But here, if we do the operations also, if it is possible, then we can proceed. You can use the properties only. But if it is not possible, then we can expand it. Is it clear, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
So here it is 1 into, delete this row and column. So what we get it?
0, 2 minus 2, 2.
Minus 2. That is a square, b square. Next, c square into this is 0, minus 0, plus 1 into this result is 0. This result is minus of
Plus
minus
4.
4.
Plus 4.
So this result is a square, b square, c square into this is 0. 1 into 4 is 4. So finally we got the result is 4a square b square
4a square b square c square.
and equal to RHS. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS, hence proved. Is it clear, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Actually, the question is there, ma, so I did not write LHS part. When we start with LHS, the solutions will start with this one only, LHS. This is the first step. Then this is second step. You can continue. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So when we'll use this one, ma, expansion. Can we start? Can we expand from the first step itself?
No,
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 sir.
sir.
No, sir.
Then we have to use it.
When we can't do with the property, we
We
can
try to
use
get
this.
using the properties at most number of zeros, ma. Till that we can use the properties. Is it clear, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We should use the properties when they ask to prove the statement using property. We should use the properties till that at most number of zeros in any one column or row. Then we can expand at last. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Right. Go to the next. Here also we have to prove this statement. So we have to start with LHS. We should get try to get the RHS. So let us go to the solution. Sorry for that. When they ask to prove or show that, then write proof. In the previous questions, if I mentioned solution also, while writing, you should write proof. And then, so start with LHS. LHS is 1a square, 1b b square 1c c square, right? So right side part we need a minus b into b minus c into c minus a. How to make this as a minus b and b minus c and c minus a? First let us make any two, either a minus b, b minus c, or b minus c, c minus c, like that. How can we get it? Do you get any idea? Right. So now tell me.
Taking ABC common, sir.
ABC common we cannot take, right? If A is a multiple of any row or column, then we can take A common. B and C are also multiples of any one row or column, then only we can take common. If we take from the first row, A is common. Here it is first element is 1, we cannot take A common. When we get ones in one column or row, it is easy to make it as zeros, right? So we can think like that also. Suppose let us take this is R1. We know that this is R2 and R3. So A minus B we need. So A minus B means if you apply R1 minus R2, we'll get A minus B. As well as 1 minus 1, 0 also we can make it. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So we'll use the same operation. So here applying R1, change it as R1 minus R2. Then what we get this result? R1 only going to change. So 1 minus 1,
0.
0. Next,
A minus B.
A minus B.
A square minus B square.
A square minus B square.
Then remaining remains the same. Two operations also we can do at a time, but you do one by one. Then there is no confusion. C square. Next. So 1 0 we got it. Till utmost number of zeros, getting utmost number of zeros in either one column, any column or any row, we'll use the operations. So 1 0 we got it. Can we get the another 0 or not?
R2 minus R3.
R2 minus R3.
That's it. We should do the same. So now applying R2 changed as R2 minus R3. Then what will get the answer? So here R2 is going to change. So R1 remains the same. 0, A minus B, A square minus B square. Next. R2 minus
0.
R3. 0. Next.
B minus C.
B minus C.
B minus C.
B square minus
B
C
square minus C
minus C.
square.
And R3 remains the same. 1.
1 C C square.
So here, what we can take common? So here, right, first 0 remains same. This is A minus B. It is A square minus B square. Can we write it as A minus B into A plus B?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's it. Here also. 0. This is B minus C. This can be written as B minus C into B plus C.
B plus C.
Yes. This is 1 C C square. So what we can take common? Whatever you want to take common, it should be in either all elements in any row or any column. So observe this one. Here A minus B, here also A minus B. Can we take A minus B common or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
From the first element, we don't have A minus B. So 0 into
Sir, 0 into A minus B.
yes, yes, 0 into A minus B, we can write it. So you should think like that. So from this, we are going to take A minus B as common. Similarly, what we can take common?
B minus C.
C
minus
minus C.
C.
We can take common from the second row. So if possible, not possible, you write it. A minus B and B minus C are taking common from R1 and R2 respectively. Then what are the left out values? Here it is 0. This is also 0, 1.
1.
First, let us finish the row. A minus B taken common. So this is 1. A minus B has taken common. So the remaining value is
A
1.
plus
A plus B.
here B minus C taken common. So 0 remains same.
1.
Here 1. Here it is
B plus C.
B
B
plus.
plus C.
Yes, this is 1 C, C square. Right?
yes, sir.
Now what shall
Yes,
we do?
sir.
We should get A minus B, B minus C and C minus A. So as per the condition, our discussion, we got utmost number of zeros in this column, right?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
what can we do now?
We can
Expand.
expand.
Expand it, that's it. Now expanding along C1. So what will get the answer? A minus B. The values which are taken common remains same. A minus B into B minus C into the next value. We can write 0, minus 0 and plus 1 into, because 0 into any value is 0, right? So if possible, if
Yes.
you want, you can write plus 1 into, if it is 1, delete this row and column. So multiply these two. So this is
B plus
B plus
C
C
minus A plus B.
minus A plus B. So we can reduce one step, that's it. So this is A minus B into B minus C. The 0 is 0 minus 0 is 0 plus 1 into any value remains same. So this is B plus C minus A minus B. Here
Minus B.
minus is there. When you open the bracket, carefully do it, because the minus sign change the whole value. So this is A minus B into B minus C. Here minus B
C
plus B.
minus A.
Plus B minus B cancel.
This is what we have to get, right? That is RHS.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, LHS equal to RHS, hence proved. Is it clear now? Do anybody have the doubt?
No,
No, sir.
Sir.
So shall we go to the next one?
yes, sir.
Right. So here also we should show that. So go to the proof. Start with LHS. What is LHS? Determinant of 1, 1,
1, 1, 1.
A,
A, B, C. A cube, B cube, C
B
cube.
cube, C cube. So the right side value we need to get A minus B, B minus C, C minus A plus B plus C, multiples. So how do we get A minus B, B minus C? First let us think about that. The rest of value automatically will get it.
C1 minus C2.
Yes, ma, very good. So first it is applying C1 changed as C1 minus C2. Then what we get this result? C1 is going to be
0,
1 minus 1,
0.
0. So this is A minus B,
A minus B, A cube minus
A
B
cube
cube.
minus B cube.
and the remaining values remains the same. 1 B, B cube, 1 C, C cube. So one value we got it A minus B. Now try to get the other value. So the next one
C2
is
minus C.
C2 minus C3.
how we'll get B minus C. So applying, how will get B minus C?
C2 minus C3.
C2 minus C3.
C2 changed as C2 minus C3. Then the resultant is C2 only going to be changed. C1 remains the same. 0, A minus B, A cube minus B cube. And the next one is 1 minus 1.
0 B minus
B
C.
minus C,
B cube minus C
B
cube.
cube minus C cube. And this is 1 C C cube. Is it clear, ma?
Yes, sir.
Then let us go to the next step. So next what we have to do it. So at most number of zeros we got it, right?
Yes, sir.
In first row. So try to take common first. Then we can expand it. If it is not possible to take the common, then directly we can expand it. If it is possible, try to take out. It is easy to simplify. So what we can take common? The first step it is. So here you should recall this formula, then you can understand it. So this is 0. This is A minus B. A cube minus B cube formula is A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. Similarly, the next one. This is 0. B minus C. B cube minus C cube formula. B minus C into B square plus BC plus C square. The same formula. In place of AB, in place of BC. That's it. And the third column is 1 C C cube. Now what we can take common?
A minus B and
Minus
B
B and
B
B
minus
minus C.
So A minus B and B minus C taking common from C1 and C2 respectively. Then let us take the common now. So this is A minus B into B minus C. So what is the remaining value, ma? 0. A minus B taken common. So 1. Here A minus B taken common. So other value is A square plus
A square plus AB
AB
plus
plus
B
B
square.
and then this is 0. B minus C taken common.
1
Here also B minus C taken common. B square
B
plus,
square plus BC plus C square.
so this is 1 C C cube. That's it. Now we can expand it. If you expand it, what will get it? So now expanding along R1, because R1 is having the maximum number of zeros. So the value is A minus B remains the same, B minus C also, into the remaining value 0 into the determinant value 0 minus 0 plus 1 into plus 1 into, in the sense these two delete it. So remaining is
1
1 into
B
B square plus
square plus BC plus C square.
minus the other one,
A
1 into
1 into
A
A
square
square plus AB plus
C
C square.
Then now if we simplify that, we'll get this result. So this is A minus B into B minus C. So this value is 0 only, we did not write. So multiply this. This is B square plus BC plus C square minus of, plus is minus, minus A square minus AB minus B square.
Minus B square.
Now plus B square minus B square gets cancelled. So can we take any other values common or gets cancelled? So it is A minus B into b minus c. So this is what we can take common now. C minus a we need. So let us grouping these terms, BC and AB, and this is C square minus A square. So from BC minus AB, B take common. This is C minus A. From these two, what about these two? It is C square minus A square. So A square minus B square formula you see. So C plus A into C minus
C
A.
minus A.
So this is A minus B into B minus C. Next, from these two, C minus A take common. So what is remaining value? B plus C plus A, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Then this value is A minus B into B minus C. This is multiplication only. So C minus A, we can write in order. A plus B plus C. That's it. This is what we need to do. So that equal to RHS. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. Hence proved. Do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
If
Yes,
anybody
sir.
has doubt, you can ask me now. No more doubts. Very good. So see this ninth one. Do you get any idea how to proceed? So let us go to the proof. Start with LHS. What is LHS? X square,
Y,
X
Z.
square YZ
Y,
Y
square,
square ZX
Z,
Z
Z
Z
square.
square XY.
So right side, we'll get the hint now. Right side we need to get x minus y minus z, z minus x. First, when there are 3 by 3 determinant is given, so try to get x minus y and y minus z. How to get x minus y? The remaining automatically will get it. How will get x minus y?
R1 minus R2.
R1 minus R2.
We are going to apply the same. Applying R1 changed as R1 minus R2. So that the value is, this can be written as R1 only going to be changed. So x minus y, x square minus y square,
Square minus Y square
yz minus
YZ minus ZX.
next. Remaining remains the same. Y, y square, zx, z, z square, xy. Next.
So we can add
Which one, ma?
we can add R1 and R2 no, sir, so that we can get ZX plus ZY, sir.
If you add R1 and R2, yes, ma, x plus z will get it now.
No, sir, we can get X plus XY plus YZ plus ZX. That one we can get it, no, sir, half.
That one we get it. But if you observe that, we can add, if you add, you will get half only. And moreover, the first one will get x plus y. And next one will get x square plus y square. Then we'll get yz plus zx. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Suppose if we add R1 changed as R1 plus R2 plus R3, then we'll get x plus y plus z, x square plus y square plus z square, yz plus zx plus xy. But the remaining remains same, y square zx, z square xy. Can we take common? We cannot take common, right, ma? So again, we can make it again. At last, after few steps, we'll get this format only. So it is lengthy, right?
Okay, sir.
So whenever it is given, you try to get these results now first, easy values. X minus y, y minus z, it is easy to get it.
Yes, sir.
That's it.
So can we add 3 rows also in same
Yes, yes, ma, we can.
step, sir?
Yes, ma, we can add columns also. So now what we have to do for the next x minus y, we got it. Now we have to try to get y minus z. So how do we get it? Y minus z.
R2 minus R3.
R2 change it as R2 minus R3. So that the result is x minus y, x square minus y square, yz minus zx. Then it is y minus z,
Y minus Z. Y
square minus
square
z
minus
square,
X square.
zx minus
ZX
xy.
minus XY.
The last one remains same, xy. Now try to simplify this. So what will get it? This result is, can we take the common or not from this? From this one, z take common, so y minus x it is, right?
Yes, sir.
So we can write this as x minus y, x square minus y square is x minus y into x plus y, and z take common, y minus x will get it. But x minus y only we can take common, right? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So minus z take common, then we'll get x minus y. And the next one is y minus z into y plus z. And the next one is x take common, z minus y. So minus x take common, we'll get y minus z. The other one remains the same, z square xy.